Alright, I'm filming.
You're filming? Oh, hey, how's it going?
How you guys doing?
Hey, how's it going? I'm Morty.
It's Morty in his rental.
Hola amigo, ¿cómo estás?
My rental.
How's the rental?
No, todo bien, nomás quería ver si ya estaba en camino o si va a pasar por esta noche o por mañana.
I think so.
Como está? Muy bien. Como gracias. Como sí.
That's pretty decent Spanish.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. So Rudnick forgot his vape.
Again?
He left it in the pizza place.
I took it.
Mike took it.
It's in the car,
It's in
but
the
he doesn't know. So we'll see if he recognizes it.
You find it?
Today's not a good day.
How?
It wasn't there. Shut up.
Are you sure you brought it in?
I fucking hate you.
Can you close the door properly?
I hate you. You're a fucking asshole.
Did you find it?
Let's go. Shut up.
You're not even real, Rodney.
So today Marcus is installing coilovers on a MK7 Golf, my favorite. So here's the stock coilover assembly, which is a bear to get out because it's so long. You actually have to remove the axle and a bunch of other junk to get it out. But we got it out, and now here's the new one. These are BC. They actually look pretty nice.
Do you know if these are camber or caster?
These are camber,
Okay, so it's got to go in
just like that.
like this.
Yes.
Yeah, this way.
No, like this right here.
No, that way.
So anyway, these go in a lot easier than the stock ones come out. You actually don't have to.
Put this in there. You pulled it all the way up to the top.
Yeah.
Look at all this gap.
You might as well just put the axle back in now. So anyway, Marcus is installing these coilovers. I am thinking about getting them for my Golf because the ones I have are worn out. No, mine already has coilovers. So mine will drop right out. I don't have to pull the axles. So mine's gonna be a lot easier than this.
I'll do the front,
but
you can do the back.
that's fair.
Okay.
Deal.
Take the rear seats and stuff.
You heard it here first, guys. He's gonna do the back for me. I mean, he's gonna do the front for me. So
I don't know if I got shafted there.
there's my Golf. He did get shafted there. He doesn't realize that I don't have to pull the interior out to get the rears on mine because mine has a solid. The GTIs have a different setup.
No, you
So-
still do. How do you get the strut top out?
It comes out from the bottom, dude. Right here. This is easy too, yeah.
Oh, damn. I thought I was going to start breaking the
No, we got this. No problem. And yeah, that's the gist of it. So we'll get this finished up. We'll get it down on the ground and you can take a look. It's gonna probably sit a lot like mine. I'm really curious on the ride though because I love the ride of my STs, which is a KW form variant. So the BCs should ride pretty good. I'm curious to see how they ride. If they ride nice, maybe I'll get a set for my car. How you making out, Marcus? Getting there? Marcus is working hard on this. Getting this setup done. It's a lot of work.
He's having a lot of fun.
He is.
Besides doing a tune-in,
Look at him go.
He's loving life right now, every second.
He is. Speaking of looking him go, this car is off to its new owner. Enjoy it.
It'll be at my driveway tomorrow.
Oh yeah, you're the new owner?
No,
You dropping
You
hints?
should go ask the
stealing it.
Oof.
driver if you could just like strap the cappuccino to it and you can just freaking like.
Dude, honestly, fly home.
Do they? Do the fans know how you're getting home yet? That's right. One of these cars. Is it the one you want? It's not. So Rudnick is driving home with Mike in the little cappuccino, taking it back north with him, heading for HP North. So stay tuned for what's in store for that little red rocket. You're gonna want to see it. So here is the finished product. Marcus is done installing the BC coilovers on this MK7 Golf, and it looks pretty good. Sitting really low, like these Golfs like to do. And it rides pretty good too. We took it for a little spin. Feels good for being this low at this height. It's really not bad at all.
You need these wheels and the coils if your car is better.
Huh?
You need these wheels and the coils.
Yeah, I don't like these wheels, but the coils I like.
Why don't you like these wheels?
I don't know. I'm a fan of the smaller wheels. These look too big to me. Or are they like 18s or some shit?
Probably 17.
They look big. Anyway, I might get these coils out for my car. I do like these coilovers.
Oh, Marcus
So-
loves putting them in.
Well, the good news is my car already had coilovers.
Oh, yeah.
So I don't have to do all that craziness with the axles and blah, blah, blah. Mine, you literally just flunk them out and put the new ones in. So, and I've already broken loose that tight seal, so, you know.
That easy. I don't know about that. They've been in for a while.
That's true. They have been in there for about 3 years. So, so they have been in there probably as long as like the stock suspension would have been, so.
The
We'll
key
see.
to coils, to putting coils in, is don't give a fuck and just cut them out.
Yeah, is that what it is? Just cut the springs and dump them?
Cut the springs.
That's Miata stuff right there. That's Mickey Mouse shit.
It's Mickey Mouse bullshit.
So anyway, good job, Marcus. You finished it.
Yeah, a lot of time later. A lot of wasted stuff.
What's your take on it?
It's a lot of wasted time.
That's it. Meanwhile, I got the scooter tucked away. It's still friggin' raining. It's been raining for a week solid. It was raining the day Rudnick got here, and it's still raining. So, no scooter joy really. I did go out and make a couple of quick test hits with it. I'll put those in this video. You guys can see, at least get an idea of what I'm working with. So here you can see the data from that run. That was a 0 to 30 in 3.7 seconds with a VMAX of 52 miles an hour. So that was just a short sprint right there by the shop. It's a easy 150 meters, a little bit more, you can see. Ended up running 10.4 and 150. That's funny. So anyway, the V-Box works really good. Now I'll show you footage from a little top speed pass that I made. Again, with the jetting off a little bit, but you can see it gets up to speed pretty good. So I'm gonna have another belt here soon, a little bit longer. I think it needs a little bit longer belt to get full actuation on the variators, and that's about it. First runs were pretty good. I was just about at 60 miles an hour, and acceleration was pretty decent. I did rejet a little bit. It was a little on the lean side, so I had to jet up some more, and now I haven't had a chance to test it since. So I've got that and a couple other little tricks on the way. But for now, we're gonna play with Marcus's car and get that shit welded up.